Alrighty, so today I'm going to be going over the 12 cranial nerves. I will be identifying each one of them. I will let you know whether or not it is a sensory, motor, or a mixed nerve. And I'm also going to be explaining some of the functions for each of the nerves. So let's begin with the first, which is the olfactory nerve. This is a sensory nerve and it functions to help us with our smell. Number 2 is the optic nerve, which is also a sensory nerve and helps us with our vision. Number 3, the oculomotor nerve, is just as it sounds, it is a motor nerve, and this helps us with our eyelid elevation. Number 4 is the trochlear nerve, and this one is also a motor nerve. It turns our eyes downward and laterally, which means from side to side. Number 5 is the trigeminal nerve, which is both motor and sensory. This helps us with chewing and our facial and mouth sensation. Number 6 is the abducens nerve, which is a motor nerve, and this is what turns our eyes laterally. Like I said, that's to the side. Number 7 is the facial nerve, and this is both sensory and motor, which helps us with facial expression, taste, and it helps our eyelids and lips to close. Number 8 is the vestibular cochlear nerve. This is a sensory nerve, and it helps us with our hearing and equilibrium. Number 9 is the glossopharyngeal nerve, which is both a motor and sensory nerve, and this helps us with gagging and swallowing, which is the sensory piece of it, and then taste. Number 10 is the vagus nerve, and this is also both, which again helps us with gagging and swallowing, but is the motor part of it, and it helps with our speech. Number 11 is the accessory nerve, and this is a motor nerve, and it helps with our shoulder movement and our head rotation. And last but not least, number 12, the hypoglossal nerve. This is also a motor nerve, and it helps with our tongue movement and the way that we speak.